SnipeGoat, baby. Welcome. Another week down, another week to go. We're going to tap right on in. So now, with the close of this weekly candle right here, price did close above the higher high points of this swing or structure. Price did close above that level. So now price did establish new weekly higher highs. So now we have weekly structure here, and price is encountering this expansion here, right? So with doing so, you know, swing, retrace, and continuation, right? We just closed above this, so now on the weekly time frame, price is creating higher highs. Price came up into these equal weekly highs with one hit, two hit, and now three hit. So now we got essentially triple, you know, equal highs here. Um, we got the high here from this swing. We got the monthly high here after price came into the monthly equal highs and showed respect. So we know again, monthly resistance is here, and as you can see, we have these equal highs here on the weekly time frame. The candle. Now we can talk about the candle that printed here, establishing weekly higher highs. You know, a small like candle. One can call it a doji. Um, but all in all, this is how we are analyzing price. We know that this is a small light candle after price just created higher highs or established higher highs, coming into and establishing um, triple highs on the weekly time frame here. We know what price has done. Um, Essentially, swing to swing. This was a retracement. Price came down, pierced these lows, and now we want to see price come up and attack these highs, right? Based on price action and market structure, swing to swing, retrace, and continuation. So now we want to scale in to determine what is price doing here in this weekly time frame. So we're going to scale down to the daily to see what type of price action we are encountering on the daily time frame inside of that weekly price action. So on the daily time frame, most recent swing is swing to swing here, right? Bullish engulfing into this bearish engulfing. We know now price is in what? A bearish retracement phase. We have this daily structure is bullish. We know price is bullish. We got swing to swing, and now price is in this retracement phase. Uh, so price is bearish inside of this bullish expansion, and inside of this bearish retracement, we are encountering this internal retracement inside of this bearish engulfing here. We have a bullish retracement inside of this bearish engulfing. So now we know we can anticipate price to give a continuation to the downside out of this bearish engulfing. So essentially, it's impulsive, corrective, continuation that should be impulsive, right? So we know what price is doing right now on the daily time frame inside of that weekly price action. So now we also want to scale down again to determine what price is doing inside of this daily price action that we are encountering with this bearish engulfing and this bullish internal retracement that we can anticipate a continuation out of to the downside. So we scale down to the 12-hour to determine what price is doing inside of that daily price action. So here we go to the 12-hour most recent swing, swing to swing, retrace, continuation concept of the market, right? Now, but we know price is in this bullish expansion, so we know price is bullish, and then what? The retracement. And in on the daily time frame, we know price is encountering that retracement. So our job is to what? Read the retracement. So we know price is encountering a bearish retracement inside of that bullish expansion. So with that being said, we got this swing to swing, retrace, continuation. This internal structure or internal price action inside of this bullish expansion. We want to read the retracement and we can anticipate price to start giving bearish price action inside of this bullish expansion because price is encountering a bearish retracement. So swing, swing, retrace, and continuation into this that we can anticipate another continuation to the upside. You know what I mean? So we see what price is doing here on the on the 12-hour time frame inside of that daily price action. So our job is to determine what is price doing right now. You know what I mean? We break it down to understand what price is doing overall, and then you scale into microscopic level. You know what I'm saying? A microscopic lens inside of these time frames to determine what price is doing right now in real time. You know, trend with the new trend, baby. But so we see what price is doing. Just reading price action, understanding market structure and the phases of the market. Price is in a retracement phase on the daily time frame, a bearish retracement phase. So on the 12-hour, we should be looking for price to produce bearish price action. In this bearish price action on the 12-hour, we see swing to swing, retrace. Price has came into the 12-hour snipe zone. We have the open of that daily bearish engulfing here. Price has already shown respect after coming into this level, and so we want to see what price is doing right now. So we're going to scale down to the 90-minute to see what price is doing inside of this 12-hour price action. Excuse me. So as we can see here, we know what levels is here. We see what price is doing on the 90-minute. Uh, swing to swing, retrace, continuation. Prices encountering or has encountered this internal retracement on the 90-minute, coming into the open of this bullish engulfing or this bullish candle. Um, Came and tested the open, showed respect, and now after that, price produced this bullish engulfing here. So price produced this bullish engulfing after coming into contact with the open of this bullish engulfing here, this internal retracement, boom, and now price is producing a bullish move up into the levels that price can anticipate to sell off or to give that continuation to that internal price action price is producing in that bearish retracement. So um, price is here, and we want to start seeing price breakdown, breaking bullish structure to basically solidify that price is going down from here. You know what I mean? So we're analyzing price, um, but all in all, with knowing price action, understanding how price action operates, you know what I mean, and reading what price or reading the candles and with the price action that price or the market has produced thus far, this bullish price action here is corrective. We got an impulsive move, and then this bullish price action is corrective. So there's, you know, like order of operations. We know price is going to get a bearish continuation to the downside. But, you know, to be for sure, we read candles and at significant levels to determine what price is doing, and the candles tell you everything. Because when price get to these levels, price will do one thing or another, and that then will dictate what price will be doing. And it's just your job to be able to read price action in real time to determine what price is doing so you can capitalize on the market. You know what I mean? But that's my weekly breakdown, you know, analyzing what price has done, what price has produced to determine what price is going to do. And there you have it, baby. You heard it here first. SnipeGoat, the candle reading guru. Somebody go tell your favorite trader's favorite trader. I'm on the